Okay, so merong nag-comment sa atin, which course do you think po is the best or the safest option for someone considering law school but wants a backup plan too in case they don't continue with law school? BSBA daw ba or LEGMA? Okay, so for me, the best option or the strongest backup is not on the choices you provided, which is BSBA or LEGMA, but rather BSA or accountancy. It is the strongest backup kasi it leads to professional careers in accounting, auditing, finance, while also providing a very solid foundation for law. Marami kasing mga law subjects ang mga accountancy student. The BSBA naman is the most flexible kasi it opens opportunities in management, marketing, HR, and business in general. And then legal management naman is the most law-focused. So it gives you early exposure to legal concept and it's a great preparation for law school. But it generally offers fewer career options compared to BSA and BSBA. So if you decide not to continue with law school, mas limited yung mga career options mo. So in summary, if you want the strongest backup, choose BSA. If you want more flexibility, choose BSBA. And if you're most committed to becoming a lawyer, choose legal management.